Hey you guys, it's your girl Shella. Thank you. All my subscribers. We made 100 today. 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We'll be eating this fruity chicken salad on PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. So just stay tuned, come sit down with us and eat with us. Oh, I love my subscribers so much. Thank you so much. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Shella. PromoSTK. Shella's Creations Way. And I'm going to be making today a chicken salad. And if you guys have been seeing my videos, we had gone out to this restaurant in Montgomery that we love. And I'm going to replicate as best I can that recipe. As y'all can see, I am opening up cans. Actually, I have 2 cans of this chicken salad. I'm sorry, 2 cans of this chunk chicken breast. And I'm straining it. And of course, I'm gonna keep my broth because I can use my broth to add to my beloved sauce. Ooh, all right, I hope this cap don't pop. Straighten it out. Hold it right here, trying to come off. There we go. I just gotta adjust a little bit. I got my new glasses on, so. Woo. There we go. So you guys, I'm straining this. See that? So make sure I get all that juice off of. And what I'm gonna do with this chicken, because I know that restaurant that we went to probably used the leftover chicken, so it's probably like grilled or baked or whatever. And what I'm gonna do with this chicken right here, I'm gonna put it in my pan, put it in my little stir pan with mayonnaise. I have some Duke's mayonnaise, but you can have really any kind of mayonnaise. So I got my Duke's. You can have Kraft, whichever one. So I'm gonna take from this, I'm gonna take a tablespoon like this, heaping tablespoonful like this, and I'm gonna put it in my little fry pan over here, y'all. And let that get warmed up. Cap back on this. I don't know about y'all, but I love me some mayonnaise. So while this is continually strained and my mayonnaise is on the stove, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my veggies. This right here is I guess green onion, scallion, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna cut this up. And then what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna actually add this to my chicken when I stir fry the chicken broth. I hope y'all can see me. Let me see, get over this way, yeah. I'm gonna add this. And I'll take y'all over to the stove with me when we get ready to incorporate it all together. I'm only using 1 leaf of this green onion. Like that. Okay? So this is gonna go in the pot with the chicken when I get ready to saute it up. And I'm gonna go ahead now and drop this in my skillet. I can hear the mayonnaise sizzling a little bit. Okay. And I'm gonna take also in that same pot my minced onions. And I'm gonna drop about a tablespoon of that in here. Yeah. Now I'm gonna bring y'all with me to the stove so y'all can see what's going on over here. Whew. It's been a long day, y'all. Y'all see that? mayonnaise. Make sure my phone don't fall over. Kind of position it. Sometimes, there we go, perfect. Now I'm gonna bring my chicken here and pour that over in here. Oh yeah. Stir this around and kind of break up the chunks as I'm stirring it around. Smells so good, you guys. I pretty much just want to let that chicken get that almost like a fried taste to it. And bring out more flavor, and with that mayonnaise infused in it, it'll give it a little more creaminess as well. Like I say, you know, this is Sheila Creations way. This is the way my mind see it done, so I'm doing it that way, y'all. Okay. I'm turn the heat down. I'll go medium. Okay. So I'm gonna let it sit on and turn the eye off. Let this just sit here and get a little crusty. A little crusty on the hot stove. And I'm gonna come on over to the counter, and we are going to cut up some stuff that is going to go in this recipe. First off, we have some grapes right here. Now we don't need that much. Oh, this little baby grape. Little baby grape. It was good, so I ate it. I'm just gonna cut it up. Y'all can see me. Just gonna kind of dice it up. These are seedless grapes. This is something that's a quick meal. You know, a lot of times, you know, people's working, they're busy, they don't have enough time to get home and prepare that fresh meal. This is something that's simple. They can do a day ahead of time. They can do it the same day. Doesn't matter. But we're just gonna dice up these grapes. And then we're gonna dice up that apple. And then those walnuts. This is going to be yummy. Couple more grapes, y'all. Y'all want to fast forward past the grapes, y'all can fast forward, but I'm going to finish chopping these up. Two more grapes trying to run away. Okay. All right, let's see if I can get my bowl over here, y'all. Okay. I'm just gonna take these grapes and put them in the bowl. That. And cut up my apple. May only need a half, but I think I'm gonna leave the skin on, you guys. I like the skin. You know, skin of almost anything is like the healthiest. Let me just take that core out of there. There we go. Those two pieces pieces. Get the other half over here. There. Some seeds out of there. And all we're gonna do is just dice up these apples. Seeds out. That's some nice little dices. Yeah, you can see me over here. And this is the Gala apples. They're pretty good. I like those. I'm gonna dice them up small. These things trying to run away. It's like they don't know if they run away, it's gonna go in my mouth. Yeah, I hope y'all see this up just in like little chunks. And the apple is real sweet, y'all. Last slice here. I'm gonna eat this piece, y'all. Real sweet, y'all. All right. I'm gonna throw that apple in here. Oh yeah, that chicken looks real good, y'all. I'm gonna give these fruits a little mixy mix. I'm gonna throw in some nuts. These are walnuts, only a cup, but I'm not gonna put it in a cup. I'm only gonna put probably like a half of a cup. Yeah, half of a cup is good enough. And in this mix, I'm gonna put me some minced, no, I've already used some minced onion. I'm not putting more minced onion. I'm gonna use some garlic powder right here. I'm gonna have a little bit left in this container. I think I'll probably use a lot more in there than I thought. So we'll only use a teaspoon of these seasonings, you guys, because there's only 2 cans. We're gonna use some paprika. You know, paprika's for color. Like my paprika. There we go. Onion powder. Let's see how much onion powder. Okay, we'll use the last bit that I have in there. I saw somebody keep these empty containers like this and make their own seasoning and pour it in there. So I'm gonna probably take this label off and try that myself. I like dilly and dabbling with seasonings. This is lemon pepper, y'all. You know I'm not gonna use any salt, so. And that lemon pepper, the lemon adds a little lemony flavor, or you can squeeze a little lemon in there. Some black pepper. A teaspoon of that. And a little heat, some cayenne pepper. And a little. Okay. Give it a little mixy mix. Mixy mix. Okay. Got that mixed up. Y'all see that? Now we're gonna go ahead and add the mayonnaise. And again, that's a Duke's mayonnaise, but you can add pretty much any mayonnaise. You want low-fat mayonnaise, whatever kind of mayonnaise you want, just add it. Probably about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise to this mix. Okay. Alright, looking good. Now y'all see this? Alright, now I'm gonna add the meat. I'm gonna show y'all how this meat looks now that I've browned it up a little bit. Y'all see that? Y'all see that meat? Y'all see that? So we're gonna add this in here. get all of it. You don't want to miss none of that goodness. Especially not even those little brown pieces that's at here at the bottom. We don't want to miss none of those brown pieces. We want all those brown pieces in there. Now, how simple is this, you guys? How simple is this? This is a meal that is going to take you less than 15 minutes to prepare. Less than 15 minutes, y'all. Now, my husband, he likes his a little cold. Me, I don't care. Be cold or warm. Mix it up. And I'm going to give it a little tasty taste. Let's see. Let's give it a little tasty taste, y'all. Let's see how it tastes with all the goodness. Y'all see this little mouthful of taste going on here? Yeah. That is the bomb. All right, y'all. Put this in the refrigerator. And let it chill. Put some saran wrap over it. So y'all, there you have it. There you have it. It's a fruity chicken salad. And it is delicious. All right, you guys. So remember, y'all saw this on PromoSTK, Show Creations Way. And that is a fruity chicken salad. Woohoo! Next time you'll see this is when you'll see me and my hubby eating it on PromoSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. All right, you guys, here it is. PromoSTK, Shows Creations Way. It is a fruity chicken salad, you guys. Check out the recipe on how I made it and all that's in it. Thank you. Hey, you guys, I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much. We made 100 subscribers so far on PromoSTK, Shows Creations Way. Thank you guys. Please continue to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone and everyone and everyone. PromoSTK, Shows Creations Way. 100 subscribers. Thank you all. I love you. I love you. I love you. Visit us on PromoSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. And look at us eat this wonderful food that's being brought to you by PromoSTK, Shows Creations Way.